Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to share your screen on Zoom and still see participants. This is a great way to present while staying connected with your audience. Let's get started. On your Zoom call, if you want to share your screen with your participants, all you have to do is click the Share button or press Alt+S on your keyboard. From here, just choose the screen you want to share. For example, let's say you want to share a presentation. As you can see, we are now sharing our screen with the audience. If you want to see your participants, we can still do that. During the call, you will be able to see your participants right here. We can customize the view by arranging the windows while still sharing our screen. This way, we can view participants while screen sharing, which makes it easier to monitor reactions, spot questions, and stay engaged during the presentation. Once we are done, we can end the call. That's how we share our screen on Zoom and still see participants.